Just so you know, I made a ton of videos yesterday. They took forever to upload, and when they finally got done, they didn't upload to YouTube. So now I'm here at 6 in the morning making these videos for you. So needless to say, if you don't do well today, I'm going to be a little upset. Okay, let's get started. Problem number 1. A box has a mass of 8 kilograms. Knowing that the gravitational field strength on Earth is 9.8 newtons per kilogram, calculate the force of gravity on the box. Okay, yesterday we talked about whenever you see gravitational field strength, know that this is the same thing, you might want to write it down, as the acceleration due to gravity. Alright, so you might see it written as 9.8 newtons per kilogram. However, I'll usually write it as G is equal to 9.8 meters per second squared, since meters per second squared is the unit for acceleration. Alright, now don't do this if you don't want to, but something that will help a lot of you guys on this problem, and on all these problems, is if you use the guess method. Givens, unknown, equation, substitute, solve. So this problem is pretty straightforward. Givens, what we know, what they tell us in the problem, is that we have a mass of 8 kilograms. So I'm going to list that under G. M is equal to 8 kilograms. What else do we know? Well, we know we're on Earth, and on Earth, gravity pulls on us with an acceleration of 9.8. So G is equal to 9.8 meters per second squared. Unknown is what they're asking us for. So they want the force due to gravity. So gravity pulls on all of us the same way, okay? And it pulls on us, that force that it pulls on us is our weight. So if you want to label force of gravity Fg, go for it. If you want to label your force of gravity Fw for force weight, that's also acceptable. So our force weight, that's our unknown. That's what we have to find out. All right, equation. We have an equation for it. It should be on the board right now if you look up. Force weight is mass times that acceleration of gravity. So now it's pretty simple. We have mass, we have acceleration of gravity, you just have to plug them into the equation. So our mass is 8, so this stands for substitute them into the equation. 8 times our acceleration of gravity, which is 9.8. 8 times 9.8 gives you your answer to this problem. That I'm not going to do for you. So our force weight will equal, get out your calculator, 8 times 9.8, give me your answer, make sure it's labeled as a force, so your label for this answer will be in newtons.